Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Mike and James Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa mga bumabati pa rin sa atin na walang hanggang bati, sa aking birthday, last June 27, thank you very much po. Thank you very much, I appreciate that. And if you have comments, suggestions, message ka lang sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And please watch my FB page, Bataan Business Innovation. Alright, since Saturday, as promised, so magbablog tayong walang hanggan ngayon. So maghapon tayong magkasama ngayon, except mamaya we'll be going out to buy shoes. Kasi start na ng college namin. Every start ng SEM, doon tayo namimili ng mga shoes natin. So we have to buy mamaya po. Mamaya pa naman po yan. Okay, kanina pagising ko, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon kasi nag-open ako ng YouTube. Napanood ko si Dr. Miles Monroe, something, apelido niya. Hindi ko alam ang tamang bigkas. Pero si Dr. Miles, isa sa, ang ganda ng mga topics niya, pero isang what captures my attention is this. Sabi niya, you are not born to just pay your bills. Diba? You are not born to just pay your bills, okay? Because, you know, there are a lot of people now, millions of people, billions of people who are working so hard, okay? Who are working so hard just to pay their bills, okay? Who work 8 hours, 10 hours, 16 hours a day, busy working, and then they will die old and poor. Diba? Isang nakakalungkot na pangyayari sa buhay natin yan. We only have one lifetime. Pag ganito yung topic, parang naiyak tayo. Pero, ayoko siyang ikat kasi, di ko na, basta tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, ha. What I'm saying now is, we have only one lifetime in this earth. Hindi na ito mauulit eh. Diba? Yung moment na to, yung year na to, yung month na to, hindi na yung mauulit. Try to imagine that. Try to imagine that. Once lang ang ating pass sa buhay na to. Yung passes na hawak mo, it's only once. Okay? And good for us kung mabubuhay pa tayo ng 50 years old, 60 years old, 70, 80. Kung marating natin yan, that's good. Kasi may mga taong nawawala na, 30, 40, di ba? 50, nawawala na sila. So, what I'm trying to say here is, we will only have one lifetime, okay? Once lang ang buhay natin. And yet, we are spending it so busy, working so hard, just to pay your monthly bills, just to pay your car, you know, monthly payment mo, your house, mortgage, and everything, okay? So, what is missing? What is missing? There's no problem in working because you have to provide for yourself, you have to provide for your family, you have to provide for someone who are depending on you. But there is something missing. Alright? There is something missing. Okay? So, yun yung ating di-discuss. What is that missing in your life? What is that something na you are missing and sana hindi mo siya ma-miss hanggang sa mawala tayo sa mundong ibabaw? What is that? Alright? This one. You are born, okay? God made you, okay? God allowed you to exist, to live in this earth for one reason. For that one reason, okay? For one reason, that is to solve one problem of mankind. If not the entire mankind, a certain group of people, or even one people, that's very important. Even one people, alright? So, can I repeat that? You are born to solve one problem. That's your mission in life. That's one of your missions. Okay? That's why it's not, it's not enough that you are just working if you are not solving any problem. Okay? So, paano ba masosolve, Ma'am G? Ano ba yung mga problems na dapat kong isolve? Okay, ganito. Paano ba masosolve? Ano ba yung gagawin mo para masolve? First and number one is, you have to use your gift. You have to use your talent na binigay ni Lord to solve a problem. Let me concretize that. For example, what I'm doing right now, this very thing that I'm doing right now, alright? This very thing that I'm doing right now, simple vlog, 5 minutes vlog, 6 minutes vlog, na minsan hindi pa na-edit, and I don't mind, alright? But I'm solving problem here. What is that problem? Most of my videos are being viewed by OFW. Yung mga friends natin na OFW, they are ready to change. They are, they are willing to change, but they lack motivation. They lack inspiration. They lack a push to do what they want to do or to change their life, to be more productive in other countries and to do their mission there. What is missing? An inspiration. And God allowed me to provide that inspiration through my videos. How did I know that? Every day I'm receiving at least 30 to 40 comments. Okay? 30 to 40 comments. Hindi pa kasama po yun yung, hindi ko nababasa kasi something is wrong with my channel. Parang naka-hide lahat eh. May nag-automatic. I don't know if my technical stuff. Okay? Hindi pa po kasama yun yung, yung mga hindi nagme-message. Because my views every day, almost 18,000. Average of 18,000 a day. So imagine 18,000 people are being inspired. Thank you kay Lord. Iba, una sa Panginoon. So that's a problem that I'm trying to solve, okay? That's my mission, all right? So you use your gift. What I'm using, my gift of inspiring people, teaching people, that's a gift, and I'm using that, okay? Even in my seminars, I'm using that gift of speaking to the people to be motivated, to be inspired. There are a lot of people na umattend po ng seminar ko, that are testifying, nag-start na sila ng kanilang investment, nag-start na silang mag-business, nakapag-desisyon na sila na iwanan na yung mga hindi dapat ginagawa ng isang tao, na mga kasalanan, so something like that. And that's inspiration, di ba? So I'm solving that problem by using my gift, by using my talent. So question, what are your talents? Ano ba yung talents or gift na binigay sa'yo ni Lord to solve the problem? Remember David? Anong ginawa ni David? 'Di ba? Sinolve niya. Walang makapatay kay Goliath, 'di ba? Walang makakapagpatumba. Then David came, all right, to solve the problem of the people there, of the people around Goliath, 'di ba? Solving problem. That's the mission. 'Di ba? That's the mission of David. Moses. Anong ginawa ni Moses? Hindi lang basta nabuhay si Moses. In spite of his difficulties in speaking. Ano po nang ginawa niya? He led the people mawala sa pagkaalipin, going to the promised land. Solving problem. If there's no Moises, sino kaya? Di ba? If there's no David, sino kaya? Alright? Bill Gates. Solve the many problems. Di ba? Zuckerberg. Ang hirap ng communication, ang hirap maipag-usap, ang mahal ng tawag sa ibang bansa. 'Di ba? Then dumating si Messenger. Easy to text, no, easy to message, easy to see the people. Just right now, kakausap ko lang sa aking friend na nasa US. Easy communication, 'di ba? Solving problem. These people na na-mention ko, they are working so hard, not just to pay their bills. They work so hard to solve a problem. Jack Ma, Alibaba.com, solve a big problem in China. Di ba? Hindi makilala mga products ng China. Gumawa siya ng Alibaba.com. Di ba? Lazada, there are a lot of people na hindi hindi na makapunta sa mall, busy. You can shop using your internet, 'di ba? Just go to lazada.com. Solving the problem of people. Solving the problem of people. And you know what's the bonus of it? Listen, believers. What's the bonus of it? Okay? Ano yung bonus ng nakapag-solve ka ng problem ng one community? Alright? What is the bonus of that? Money will follow. Lahat ng mga binanggit ko, Bill Gates, Zuckerberg, Jack Ma, rich people, they are getting paid. They are earning money. They are earning money actually every day. Myself, as an example, in my YouTube channel, every day I'm earning dollars. When I started YouTube, it's not solely, or it's not only about money when I started it. I'm just looking for, actually curiosity. Then, next is, I'm looking for a platform na yung sinaseminar ko, sinasabi ko, madala ko sa maraming tao because not all people can attend my seminar. Nakita ko sa mga YouTubes, I saw Chinkitan, I saw a lot of speakers na meron silang channel. So, dami pa rin nakikinig. Nakikita ko yung views, 100,000 of views. So, sabi ko, I want to have this platform. I want to help, extend ko lang platform ko from the stage, pag nagsasalita ako, bringing it not only in the Philippines, kundi sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Then after that, I solved that problem, money comes. The total earnings of my YouTube channel is almost $3,000, which I'm not expecting like that. I'm not expecting that. Diba? When I started my speaking career, I just thought of, conducting seminars for the youth. Sabi ko, I want to help the young people. I want to help young people to, target ko lang talaga sa church. At hindi lang ba sa church, gusto ko lang young people. Because my mission then was to help the young people, yung ba parang lagi silang revive. Kasi nga, ang daming kaagaw ng mga young people. So, gusto ko sila ma-motivate to do their missions in life. So, that's it. And now schools, companies, different companies, big schools in Region 3 are inviting me for seminars. And they're paying me for, kung paano ko presyo ang sarili ko, they're paying me. Alright? So, it started with just solving one problem. Okay? So, can I go back to my question a while ago? You are not born to just pay your bills. You are not just born to just pay your bills. If you are working right now, well, that's good. In one company. If you are working right now, make sure you are solving the problem or one problem of that company. Okay? Then when you are doing that, go out, look around. Hindi sinasabing iwanan mo yung company mo. Look around and ano pa yung problem ng neighborhood, ng community mo, then try to solve that. Alright? Never think first about the money. Just think first, what are the problems or what is the problem na gustong ipasolve sa akin ng Panginoon. Alright, so please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin, friends mo na you want them also to be inspired and to be motivated. Alright, so thank you very much, G-Livers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!